What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another old school opening. Today, we're going to be opening some dark theme packs, Shadow of Infinity and Phantom Darkness, as well as Lost Millennium, the first pack of YuGiOh GX, and to top it off, only my third time opening a first edition Duelist Genesis pack. Well, not necessarily my third time, but third time out of this lot that I bought. So we're gonna save that one for last. I'm gonna open up these Shadow of Infinity and Lost Millennium boxes. Just keep them in here for the nostalgia of being able to open a box. Brings me back. We're gonna start with, I have not opened a Lost Millennium in a long time. So I'm gonna go with a first edition Lost Millennium pack. See if we can pull an Ancient Gear Golem or something. Ancient Gear Beast, maybe ultimate rare. Would be amazing. Burstinatrix, Great Start. Elemental Hero. Final Ritual of the Ancients. Ancient Gear Soldier. Battery Charger, and Token Festival. Ofer to start off. Gonna jump into a Shadow of Infinity. Just grab those off the top. Next one, maybe we'll go for some deeper, a little deeper, see if we can pull out a holo. Ooh, this one has some bowing, some promise. See if we can get one of those ancient, one of those sacred beasts, sorry. Silent Insect. Next to be lost. And an ultimate rare Proto Cyber Dragon. Dope. That's amazing. I'll take that. I believe that's a rare, right? But if you're gonna get a rare, to get a Cyber Dragon at all is still pretty amazing. This card's name is treated as Cyber Dragon. It's basically Cyber Dragon. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Unlimited, but nonetheless, bowed like crazy. This whole pack is pretty sweet. Alti looks great. All right, great start. Clutch. You can go with Phantom Darkness. Yes, mix it up. Before we jump back into the Shadow of Infinity and Lost Millennium. See if we can get our game on. We already did a pretty good job there of getting our game on with the ultimate. Let's focus on those boxes back there. Earth Effigy, Alchemy Cycle, Blue Thunder, Samsara Lotus, and Dark Spirit Greed. So, nothing on that Phantom Darkness pack. I think those loose packs, I've done pretty well with them, so. Actually took this one from the left last time, so we're gonna go from the right. This second last pack right here, why not? Okay. Nice. Proto Cyber Dragon. I actually do not have a Proto Cyber Dragon. I don't have many Cyber Dragon Ultimate Rares in my collection. I am looking to eventually go after those. But until then, hope we pull them. All right. Moa, Interceptor Cannons, Gift of the Martyrs, Hita, the Fire Tremor, and Royal Surrender. Batman A, Lone Wolf there. All right, so no fur on the Royal Surrender. Sorry, on the, I don't know why I said Royal Surrender. No fort on the Lost Millennium. I was just looking at the last card I pulled, I guess. Shadow of Infinity has been pretty good to us already. Can we dare be greedy and ask for more? We'll see. Do we dare ask for a sacred beast to bless us with its presence? Okay. A little bowed here as well, too, so. Grass Phantom, Attack Reflector Unit, Ancient Gear Cannon, Hero Heart, and Princess Peekaboo. Not ultimate rare, just really bowed. It's a decent ultimate rare. I believe it's worth a couple bucks, right? If I'm not mistaken. All right, so this video's gone rather quick. Go with a Duelist Genesis. Yeah, we'll finish it up. We'll just make this a short video, maybe a two-parter. Add some more of these Shadow of Infinity packs and another Duelist Genesis pack. But this is really exciting. Like I said, really hard to find. The story of me finding these packs is amazing. Found over 75 for $3.99 Canadian. Yep, you heard that right, Canadian. So that's like 50 cents American. But yeah, I was able to absolutely get these for a steal. I'm not selling them cheap. I don't care what you say. But I will actually eventually be selling some of these. But without further ado, that's the story behind these packs. We're gonna rev it up. Hopefully, we don't have to buy any Stardusts, because hopefully we pull it right here. All right. So we have a Jute Fighter, Lightwave Tuning, the Dark Charmer, Oyster Meister, and the Tricky. So, not there, unfortunately. The Sword of Kusanagi, Psychic Snail, Synchro Line Protector, and Mechabot. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that, a misprint pack. We got 10 cards in there. Unfortunately, wasn't as good as our previous misprint pack where we pulled 5 holos. We are going to continue with our awesome Stardust Overdrive first edition packs, as well as our Absolute Power Force. And to throw in a few just to mix it up, we're going to be opening Shadow of Infinity, Phantom Darkness, and a first edition Strike of Neos. Without further ado, I'm going to get going, if you haven't already. We'll see what we get. Meteor Flare, Tillion, Naga, Handaboard, and Gravekeeper's Ascendant. One of those cards that's just out of set, kinda. Shouldn't really be released in 5Ds. I guess we'll go Stardust Overdrive. Okay, there's no saving this pack. I try to usually, but just past the point of cringe. Usually in packs that I have a hard time opening, I usually pull nice out of them, so we'll see. Alright, so we have a Gemini Booster, Energy Bravery, Savage Coliseum, Herculean Power, and Cattle Lepus and the Witch of Fate. It's an interesting artwork there. It's like, looks like mystical sheep, kinda. Different interpretation of them. Okay, so 0 for 2. So we're gonna go into Shadow of Infinity because I believe I have more of those left. Well, I know I have more of those left. I'm just trying to think of which I'm more excited to open. I haven't opened Phantom Darkness in a while, so we'll see how that goes. So we have an Anteater Eating Ant. Success probability 0. I hate getting that card in packs. And a Photo Cyber Dragon. So another rare. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to an Absolute Power Force right now. That's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna open one of the GX packs for every one each of Absolute Power Force. And Stardust Overdrive. Okay, so what do we have here? Can we get something? I believe it would be the 4th card, that would be a holo. Yeah. So I think you get 2 holos in these. Shield Worm again. Oh, for. I'm gonna go back to Stardust Overdrive. see if we can rev it up here. We've been cruising at low RPMs. See if we can't pull that infamous ghost rare. And of course, well, I don't know if you could say of course, but if you didn't know, these guys only came out in first edition, in tins and pre-release. Fraternity Force. So that Ghost first edition is very hard to come by. It's a super. Okay, Knight of the Red Locust. Oh, that sucks. It's got a little. At least we got one holo. That's nice to start off with. Awesome. It's not the best holo, but we'll take it. And that is a first edition holo as well. Back to Phantom Darkness. All of these sets having Ghost Rare in them. Right? Yeah. Nope, sorry. Striker Neos did not have Ghost Rare. And neither did Shadow of Infinity. And I'm way off on that. Cyber Ouroboros. Atlantean Pikeman. Sea Koala, and us, nice, an ultra rare beauty. Vampire's Curse. That's amazing. Awesome. I haven't pulled much from these. Actually, I think I've pulled a Dark Knight Parshath from these guys so far. But ultra rare, we'll take it. So we're gonna go with another Absolute Power Force. I believe this will be our last Absolute Power Force. See if we can't get that ghost. Oh, nothing again, I don't think. That's unfortunate. Visor Des. I'm gonna go right. You say? You say? Can we rev it up? I'm gonna check out this guy. Butchered this one too. And it just means it's a holo. I can't remember if the last one I said was a holo or not. The last one I had a hard time opening, I mean. And I don't think it's nothing. Reptilian Poison. Okay, so for our last pack of the day, of the evening, Strike of Neos. Can we pull the elusive, the ultimate elemental hero Neos? Stay tuned. Find out. Oh, someone blowing their nose down there. Come on. With the burps. Gosh, gotta cut that out now. If I remember. I'm not sure if this is anything. We'll see. Nothing. Sage of Silence. We ended a silent pack to finish off. Well, not too bad. Opened 9 packs and we got a super and that's not terrible. A super and a ultra from 9 packs. We'll take it. There's our Knight of Red Lotus. I was gonna say King. And Vampire's Curse. Hopefully we can get something nicer from Stardust Overdrive. I don't think we've pulled an ultimate from there. That would be very nice to pull. But that will have to wait till next time. Stay tuned. Peace.